Oh yeah, look what we got there. Oh yeah, that's a dump. Oh shoot, let's fill up that pool quick. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh yeah, woo, shoot yeah. Oh look at that, look at that. Oh, that's awesome. That is awesome. That's all just going right in the drink. Freaking sweet. Look at all that, fill that pool up quick. Oh yeah, that pool's gonna be filled up quick. Oh nice. Oh shoot yeah. Oh yeah. I got me some rainwater. That is so cool. Yeah. Look at that. Look at that, huh? Check that out. Yeah. Yeah. Really dumping. Pretty awesome. Oh yeah, check out my place here. Looking good, huh? Oh yeah. Check that out. Just finished up this project. Oh yeah. Check that out. Oh yeah. Over there. Cool, huh? Nice. I'm liking this. That pool. Filling up that pool. Oh yeah. Yeah, the pool's almost full. Oh man. That's awesome. Makes me want to go jumping there. That's so sweet. That's so awesome. Everything's growing so much now, so quickly. Oh, it's really dumping now. It's really dumping. Crackle, crackle, you hear that crackle? Woo! Lord's happy. Happy to give us some rain and some water. Happy to give himself to us. He's awesome. Who's awesome? He's awesome. Little boy, awesome. Check that out. Check that out. Sweet. Man, I can't even collect it all. Oh, wow. Like that. You hear all that? Ah, you look like it. Lighten it up here. Love it. Love it. Love that. That's what I did it for, baby. That's so cool. I'm so happy. Happy with that work. Got that little rock garden done. Might put a border trim on top. Cap trim. What do you call that? That's my gutter system that pulls all that water. All this awning here. Goes all the way down there. Same with this side. Oh, look at the sun coming out. Oh, how beautiful. Oh, this is great. Check this out, guys. Oh my gosh, the sun's shining on the wall. Look at that, sun's out. That's so cool. The rain just kind of quickly stopped. Quickly just stopped. Look at that. It's barely sprinkling right now. Look at how it's just trickling. Just seconds ago. Look at how fast it stopped. Seconds ago. It was just dumping. Just dump. And now, whoo, sun shining and just relax. Like, wow. And the pool's full. Look at that. The pool's full. Half hour of rain and the pool gets full quick. Just like that. Wow. So awesome. I'm going to have my rain barrel right there, don't forget. Put my rain barrel on that thing right there. Can't really see it, but The rain, all that rain will go in the rain barrel, get filtered first before it dumps in my pool. But I gotta complete that project. I'm almost done there, and doing another little project there. And my place is coming around here. I'd like to show you some stuff out front. Save that for another video. It was very cool. I was so excited to see that rain and that pool getting full, because that costs a lot. They charge me for reclaimed water. They charge me for water for the water, and then they charge me for reclaimed water, which it's not going anywhere if I put it in the pool. It's just going in the pool. They're not going to reclaim it. I'm not going to do nothing in it for it, but they charge me for more for that than for the water that comes out of the faucet. Oh well. So that's why I did this, and that is awesome. Alright guys, God bless. We'll see you later. Bye.